Our Bosch dishwasher was not cleaning as well as we'd hoped, so we thought we would just run some of these tablets in here to do a cleaning. I basically put two tablets, one in the soap dispenser and one in the bottom of the unit, and ran a full cycle. I inspected the dishwasher after running those two tablets through, and you can see here it's still pretty dirty. So I decided to do a more thorough cleaning. I removed these two Torx screws, which allowed me to remove the big strainer on the bottom. As you can see here, things are pretty dirty. I then removed the spray arm feed tube that goes to the top, being very careful about the connector that holds it on. I then proceeded to hand clean everything using regular white vinegar and a lot of paper towels. I cleaned the drain area, the sides, the back, the top, all the rubber gaskets, pretty much anywhere I could see grime, including the backside of the spray arm feed tube, which had a lot of stuff to be cleaned off. The result looked pretty good. The drain was much cleaner, the sides and walls were much cleaner, and I started reassembling the unit. I first put in the large bottom screen, followed by the spray arm feed tube, and then added the screws back in. Then I added the bottom sprayer and the filter. Here you can see everything put back and reassembled. However, I still noticed some water stains on the front door particularly, and decided to try that vinegar thing where you fill basically a cup of white vinegar, put it on the top shelf, and run a normal cycle. So I went ahead and did that, and now you can see this is the final result after it finished that cycle. It looks pretty good, and only took me maybe about 30 minutes overall to clean everything. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And consider watching some of my other videos here.